William Ruto hatuyet nebo kandoik chebo chamaitab UDA choto chemiten en katuyetab Kenya nebo Kenya Kwanza nekakiyai en kotab Roriot Nairobi. Ole niton ko tuyet nekaimuch kotuyagei ako en koyonjinet nebo kibagenge kotinygei ak bilit nebo chepkondok nebo kenyitab 2024 kenyitab 2025. Kora tuyonoton kokaking'alalen akobo kaimutik chekoketestai kebaorionji en chamait nebo UDA. Ole kabit niton en kasarta nekokotestai kotuyagei biikab emoni en kibagenge ak kandoik chebo bolotet, kipng'omotinik ak kibagengeisiek chebo biik cheborchingei imanda nebo kipkosobei ako esio en kimnatet bilit nebo budget, kit nemwoe kole matinye tokyin nemie en biikab emoni ak nyolu keyochi walutik kotomo kesirto. Kaboisien kasaratan President William Ruto kokon kurset nebo kekanapta tuguk chekichobe en emetab Kenya ak kora kinde itondo nemie asikobit koit mogorek cheindo konorwet en emoni cheisuldoen mung'arosiek cheterter.
We had a challenge with the exchange rate. And the challenge is with our exchange rate is contributed to a great extent by importing things we should be producing locally. You know, there cannot be any bigger shape of madness. Importing things that you can produce locally. By importing those things, we are exporting our jobs, we are exporting our foreign exchange, so if you read between the lines what Kimani Kuria was saying, he was insisting on protecting local manufacturing. Local manufacturing. Because that way we convert our own labor into products. We convert our own electricity into products. We convert our own talents into products. And we stop hemorrhaging our foreign exchange. The reason why you see stability in the foreign exchange space, it was 167, it's come down. Last week it is at 128. It is because we have reduced on importing things that are not necessary, and instead substituting those ones with things we are producing locally. Let me give you two examples of some of the difficult but right decisions you made last year. We made a decision on housing levy. Friends, let me tell you this. When you go home, go write down somewhere. You will put it in your memoirs that you were among the people who made the decision to have a housing levy. Because that housing levy, 10, 15 years from today, the kind of transformation that will be in Kenya, the eradication of slums, the transformation of our housing, the transformation of our country, people will ask, who are the people who made this decision? Other countries made that decision many years back. That's why they are where they are.